very good morning to you all, and welcome to another Trade of the Week video from Platinum Trading Academy. As I'm sure you are all aware, the markets have been pretty volatile over the past few weeks due to the coronavirus. However, with patience and discipline, you can trade with the right setups. We had a really nice trade trigger on the cable this week, which was on our trading floor and highlighted on our weekly outlook on our Platinum TV channel on Monday. So before I show the chart, for any new viewers out there, this is what we call our trading floor. Our clients have lifetime access to. There's plenty of charts on here, articles, but I want to concentrate, as I say, on the pound dollar. This was the chart provided for our clients for last Monday. Now, I hope you can see my mouse here. I want to concentrate on this particular trap range. This is what we call a trap range, guys. As you can see, it's been stuck the last about week or so, isn't it, between 24.85 and 21.85. Pretty simple, really. Buy the bottom, sell the top until it breaks, obviously either way. Okay, so anyway, so let's have a look how this trade actually panned out. Let's go to the live charts. As you can see, it actually worked out perfectly, didn't it? It came to our support and demand buying area. It was actually, the low was, I believe, was about 21.62, depending on what broker you're at. Well within our 40 pip stop loss, and as you can see, it is absolutely reversed from there over 300 points. So that was a fantastic trade that panned out this week. If it's something that you're interested in, guys, you can go to our Platinum Trading Academy. This is our website. There's plenty of, you've got course information, you've got strategies, Forex blogs, videos, trading webinars. We teach our clients on a one-to-one mentoring basis with our full-time traders. If you want to click on the free Forex consultation tab, one of our member staff will get back to you. As I say, pretty short and sweet this week. Fantastic trade setup. Have a nice weekend, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.